Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And to this video we're going to talk about how to add the time or clock to a Facebook story. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application and as a first step, create a story. Choose a picture from your gallery. Now, to add a time or clock, all you have to do is use the sticker feature. So, tap here, then search for the sticker, the time sticker, and tap on it. The sticker will appear instantly. You can tap on it again to change its color, and you can also adjust its position and size as you like. Finally, after finishing all edit, you can share the story normally. Thanks for watching. See ya.